Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today I'll be making some purple sweet potato croquettes. So let's get started. Okay guys, so this is what the purple potato looks like before I peel it. All I'm going to do is peel this up and put it into some water so it can boil, and then we're going to move on to the next step. So this is the potato. This is what it looks like after I boiled it up and drained it and let the steam basically evaporate the water that was left over the potatoes. You want it nice and dry, basically is what I'm saying. It needs to be dry. Over here I have some roasted garlic in my plate, perfectly roasted garlic. I already have a video on that. I will link it below. I'm going to add the roasted garlic to my sweet potato and season it up, and then we're going to fry them. Alright, so to my potatoes, as I said earlier, I'm going to add my roasted garlic. Maybe 6 of them. I think that was 7, but maybe 6 of them. Basically it's the taste, so you have to taste your filling before you even make your little shapes to fry them. I'm going to add some gochujang for some heat, and of course added flavor, some garlic powder. You really want flavor in here. I'm not adding any meat, so however, it's not vegan friendly because we have to dredge these in egg. However, you don't have to use egg if you're vegan. You could dip it in coconut milk and then dip it in your panko and fry it however you prefer. Also going to add a tiny bit of salt. Again, make sure you taste it as you go to make sure you don't over season, under season, and so on. So I'm going to mash this really well. I'm going to make like disc shapes with them, and then we're going to make a dredge station and we're going to fry these up. I love purple potatoes, sweet potatoes. And they're going to be so pretty once you fry them up because the outside is going to be like golden brown, and then once you cut it open, the nice bright purple color is going to come right through. So it's going to be really nice and pretty and flavorful, as you can see. Adding some heavy hitters down in here. Yeah. Alright, so now we got to get nice and dirty with our hands. You could use gloves if you prefer. I like to feel what I'm doing. You're going to get a little bit of your potato mixture. Hopefully I'm in focus. You're going to make a ball, so like that. The whole point of this is you want discs. However, balls are fine. I like balls. You can make balls and fry them. You don't have to make discs. Or you can make, whatever shape you prefer. And they don't have to be perfect because these are going to be dredged in panko. So they don't have to be perfect. And that's it. So I'm going to show you guys one more. Grab your potato, and this is the purpose of making sure your potato is dry, because if your potato is not dry, you will not be able to do this. It's gonna fall apart. So when you strain your potatoes through your strainer, you need to let it sit in the strainer over the hot pot, or you could leave it on the stove and let the heat from your burner dry your potatoes out. But I just strained it and left it in the strainer. That's all I did. I left it there maybe 5 or 10 minutes. And the residual heat from the pot just basically dried out the potatoes. And that's it. I'm going to finish these up and then we're going to fry them. Alright guys, so as usual, I'm going to show you guys my breading station. Over there I have parsley, salt, and pepper in my panko breadcrumbs. Remember, all ingredient measurements ingredients will be in my description box and on my website. Over here I have some beaten eggs. I'm not adding any seasoning to that. Over here I have a bowl of flour, no seasoning. Your potatoes are fully well seasoned. They're nice and garlicky and flavored. And again, make sure you taste them before you fry them. So you're going to take one of your potato discs. You're going to put it in your flour over here. Hopefully, I'll just move the camera as I do it. You're going to dust it with flour. Shake off the excess. Just like that. Then we're going to go over here to our egg mixture. I'm basically going to have like clay hands by the time I'm done with this, because I need to show you guys exactly what to do. But of course, once I get that out the way, I'll do it the proper way so you guys can really just see. Alright, once you get the excess egg off, you're going to put it down in your panko with your parsley, salt, and pepper. You want to crust it up real nice and good. We're going to let them chill out on the board for like 5 minutes, if that. And then we're going to fry them. I'm frying mine in coconut oil. You can fry yours in whatever you want. I use the coconut oil actually to roast my garlic, which is why I want to carry over the flavor to your egg. With my clay hands over here looking crazy. And then to your panko. Get it nice and crusty. Put it down and let it chill out for about 5 minutes. Alright, so I'm going to start putting my potatoes down in here. Turn my heat down a bit. Alright guys, so these are what they look like. I stacked them on up. I sliced one right here so you can see the purple. They're nice and crispy. They're delicious. They're nice and moist on the inside. I just love the color against the golden brown. It's so pretty. And now I'm going to let you guys hear how crispy. They're really, really crispy. So if you guys enjoyed this easy, simple, purple sweet potato croquette, try them out. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Look how moist that is. Look at that. I want to try it. Try. The roasted garlic, honey. Yes. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.